Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've been away for a while because we moved to an island for me to go to work, and yeah, we didn't have good internet connection or anything, so we kind of just didn't do any videos for a while. Probably shouldn't say. But yeah, the ASMR bro been on me to do another one. He messaged me the other day and I completely forgot about it, honestly, because it's been so long until he messaged me. And then today, we actually seen this the other day, and it's the new chicken Bigmac. Fuck, that's messy. I'm gonna make a mess. Yeah. So.
It's just as messy as the regular one.
Yeah, that's all it is. So we got two of them. I also got a poutine. And she got regular fries.
And a chicken snack wrap with extra ranch. I wonder how they do the cheese on these. I think it's just regular cheese now. It looks disgusting.
They probably drop it on the floor a few times and then pick it up and put it back in.
They don't use shredded cheese anymore, though. It's gross. But I still like them.
Kraft singles, baby.
That's what they are.
Yeah, and I also got a regular Big Mac just because I've been training jiu-jitsu all day. I went to a seminar this morning, and I'm starving. I haven't eaten yet. And I got an iced tea. I'm also dehydrated.
I had a Fruitopia.
Yeah, and anybody who watched this before, they did not fuck the order up, so Trina did not freak out at...
You're gonna drown you.
at the employee.
Well, they missed a whole Happy Meal one time. How do you miss one Happy Meal when I only ordered 3?
Wow.
Are you starting with that? Let's start with this.
Yeah, so I went away to work for... I was lobster fishing for a while, and I didn't really have any time to do anything else because it was like 17, 18-hour days, sometimes longer. So I kind of got exhausted, a little bit burnt out, and just kind of gave up on everything. Gave up on life. But now we're back. We're actually just moved into this new place back in the city. And that's why I got such a ghetto setup right now. My mic is on a box.
New place?
New old place. Yeah, we moved to this island where everybody's like related. So anybody who dates each other's like cousins and stuff. It was a really weird place. And there was like no Walmart. And only one gas station.
No Costco?
They had nothing. Anyways, I'm going to give this a try. I didn't even get the fucking chicken.
Yeah, you dropped a pickle over there too.
Oh no. So we're probably the last place to ever to get this because we always are. So this probably isn't new to a lot of people, but
it's new to us.
It's kind of like a review, but it's really not that great. It tastes like a giant McChicken.
I read that the chicken was really plain.
It is. This is going right to my thighs.
That's why we got that air bike. You have sauce on your face already.
Yeah, we just bought an air bike because she's been complaining about her fupa. So.
I'm gonna give you a fupa. I'm waiting for that cat to jump over here.
The cat's chilling in the corner.
Probably hear the bells.
I really
Is your
don't.
chicken already gone?
I really don't care for this. It's like the best part about it is the Big Mac sauce. The chicken just tastes really greasy. Don't get sauce on my mic.
Make no promises.
And don't rub it either. It will make an annoying sound.
Like nails on chalkboard?
No. White noise.
Yeah, the chicken on these aren't the best.
Man, mine looks sloppy. Yours actually looks put together. Stick that right in the camera.
Probably because I ordered extra pickles.
Yeah, get it all up close personal. Look, spread it.
Ew, Jesse. Don't leave your finger and shove it in my burger.
Yeah, that wasn't great. I probably wouldn't get another one. I mean, the lettuce was good, though.
Your poutine's now like a Bigmac poutine. And we need a higher table.
Should have took the food out of the boxes. I forgot how to do this. Yeah. I'm going to get rid of this.
Oh my gosh, you're eating food all over the carpet.
That's alright. That's what I got you for. I'm just...
That did not go as planned.
No. Look at that.
It got stuck.
High quality food.
It's starting to get
It's
messy.
just a square with greasy ass fries.
That's disgusting. You know I brought you a fork, right?
Feels like I just ate a package of salt. No.
Fine.
Fork. That's for amateurs. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, this really isn't the best.
I was trying to train this morning. There was a high-level black belt that came in to do a seminar. And all I could think was, I'm so fucking hungry. And I actually clicked on, I seen a comment on YouTube. And I clicked on it, and someone saying that they wanted to see us do another video. So that kind of reminded me today. So thank you.
Gross.
That burger was horrible, though.
Yeah, probably not the best best option, but whatever. The chicken's just really plain.
Yeah, we can actually do a lot more now that we're actually not stuck on an island. Empty your shit out here.
What are you talking about? It was a great time. Loved being on the island. It was so much fun.
Is that mine?
Yeah. It's a Big Mac. The real Big Mac.
Oh, that's burger. Oh, fuck. Look, the lighting shit, sorry guys. We'll get it fixed up once we get unpacked. My stuff's packed away in a box somewhere.
In the basement.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, I'm losing half my burger. Everybody knows what a Big Mac looks like.
I'd hope.
Is that paper towel or lettuce?
What?
Is that paper towel or lettuce? I thought that looked
What's
like a
lettuce?
Looked like a Kleenex. If I find a dirty Kleenex of this, I'm gonna be so pissed.
That's disgusting. We didn't get McChicken sauce, so
I'd definitely recommend the original Big Mac. That chicken one sucks. Always got something to complain about.
I didn't complain.
Didn't give me enough sauce.
I ordered it and forgot to order McChicken sauce.
They actually did rip us off, I think.
No, they didn't.
You think they'd know? Like, who the fuck orders fries without ketchup? You know, like, just throw it in the bag.
You have to request it now.
Of course.
That looks so messy.
Because I went so long without eating. I feel like I'm getting full super quick.
I didn't eat all
I'm
day
gonna tough
either.
this out, alright?
Don't be a bitch.
Want a bite?
No, your greasy hands were all over it. I was debating on it. I looked over, there's poutine sauce on your hands. I was like, never mind.
Almost choked on that one. Oh, you're not finishing your greasy chicken burger?
It's not that greasy. That's greasier.
No, that tastes like really deep fried or something. I don't know.
The chicken just tastes really plain. There's no flavor to it.
Yeah. It just tastes like if you put a piece of dough in a deep fryer or something.
Are you okay?
Oh, I think. You like took bites out of everything.
Oh, here comes kitty cat.
Yeah, so the place where we were living had like, they didn't have any big chain restaurants. They had like,
Lobster.
yeah, lobster, a lot of lobster, a lot of seafood, or like hometown restaurants, or like. Did you see that?
No?
Just shake the camera, fucking cat. Yeah, or they had like like mom and pop kind of restaurants, family businesses. But they weren't really that great, and I couldn't even do anything over there because by the time I got off work, they closed at like 6 o'clock. So like I'd never make it. My hands are too greasy to even pick up these greasy fries.
Do you want the fork?
I'm
He's
gonna-
in my desk. You're gonna be cleaning the carpet.
I'm sorry. Need some practice cleaning anyway.
Yeah, okay. He's in my desk making noises. She just followed him in there.
Who?
Pat's in there and Rose just followed him in. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's from getting choked. I didn't even moan.
Doesn't look like getting choked. It looks like you had hives. You probably did.
Cried a little. Oh my god. What?
That looks disgusting.
This was meant to be a review, but I feel like it's just a big complaint. Seriously. It's the only good thing about this was the cheese curds.
Did you eat all your cheese curds last night?
No. I've been craving like cheese, like crazy. And they got flavored cheese curds. Fuck, they're good. After not doing this for so long, it's kind of a little weird. I feel like I'm on an episode of like the casting couch or something. How bad do you want the job?
And we're actually on our couch this time.
Yeah. Should have just got a big black leather couch.
No, we shouldn't have.
Yeah, that would have been funnier. Just do it from the couch every time.
Oh no, there's only one napkin left.
Dibs. You gonna finish your food?
Fries, maybe.
I would usually finish it, but that burger like actually grossed me out that much.
Oh.
I can't finish it.
We have a friend.
Oh fuck.
He's just creeping behind you.
Yeah, looking for scraps. They're like fucking bums.
She really is. Look. She's trying to sneak under her legs.
We bring you in, we fucking feed you, we house you, and they steal any fucking thing they can. Like this friend I used to have, fucking Anthony.
Oh my god. Want my sugar wrap?
No,
Snack wrap?
maybe.
Extra ranch? And apparently some Bigmac sauce.
I'll try it. Sorry she didn't show any of her food. I apologize, guys. She's an
I
amateur.
did.
Like, I think the lighting's all fucked up just the way we're doing this, but. Oh, fuck yeah. Looks horrible.
That looks disgusting.
Yeah. I wanted to do one with chili cheese fries from somewheres and just fucking like t-shirt and just hands in. You know what I mean? It's just the messiest I could possibly do it.
Smokes poutine.
No,
Why?
because you eat there too much. I'm kind of sick of it.
I haven't ate there in like over a year. And you could get exactly that there. That's what they are.
Well, I finished my stuff. I probably should have got an extra regular Big Mac because that first one tasted like shit.
And so I'm not finishing it.
Oh, I'm gonna have to. I wish we had that fan bike now because I'm gonna have to like do fucking sprints or something tomorrow.
I'm done. I can't eat anymore. That is just disgusting.
You're not eating that?
No.
I'm not gonna eat that. I'll eat the fries. So. What's on that? What is that?
Mayo.
I
My
draw
voice
the.
just
I
cracked.
draw the. Mayo. I draw the line at mayo.
You have spicy mayo between your legs.
You just hit puberty. Okay. I'm finished. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.